Sunbiz.org is Florida's Division of Corporations portal for registering businesses, including corporations. Filing articles of incorporation creates a C Corp or S Corp legally. Fees, $70 standard, $35 expedite. Processing, 3 to 5 days online, 7 to 14 days mail. Requires a unique name and registered agent. Check name availability. Visit Sunbiz.org, search records, entity name search. Enter proposed name, for example, Acme Corp. Ensure no matches. Reserve if needed, $25, 120 days. Prepare documents. Download articles of incorporation. Form CR2E047 for Profit Corp. Include name, purpose, principal address, registered agent, self or attorney, Florida address, shares authorized, incorporators. File online, go to sunbiz.org. File a new business, Profit Corporation. Enter details, upload form if needed. Pay fee via card, $70. Submit, get tracking number. Designate registered agent, confirm agent accepts service, physical address required. Get Ian, post approval, apply free at IRS.gov, Form SS4. Confirm, check status via document number search. Receive stamped articles via email, mail. Tips: use self as agent initially. Hire for privacy, $99 per year. For nonprofits, use form CR2E006. Contact support. Call the 850-245-6059 number or email them. Post-filing, draft bylaws, hold organizational meeting.